Zizi here with the very best of the Low Country, and I have caught up with Summer here at the Area 9 Special Olympics. And honey, I heard you all had big fun out here today.
We had a blast. The weather was great and the kids had a good time.
Oh my goodness, now tell it, you had a lot of volunteers, a lot of community support. So tell us about how many volunteers you had out here today.
We had about 200 volunteers from the area high schools and clubs and different things like that.
And how many athletes?
We have about 300, maybe 350, somewhere in between there.
Oh my goodness, now tell me some of the things that they were involved in, some of the sports that they competed in.
We had relay races of 100 meter, 200 meter. We also had a wheelchair race. We also did softball throws, shot put, and long jumps, and running long jumps.
And you already had your ceremony. Did I miss the ceremonies and everything?
9:30 this morning, we had an athlete run in with the oath, with the torch. We had one do the oath and we had one do the pledge.
Oh my goodness, one of the wonderful things about the Special Olympics is that every athlete leaves here knowing that they are the very best. You all keep watching the very best of the Low Country because you know Jason has all the best footage for you. Thank you so much, Summer, and thanks to Area 9 Special Olympics and to the high school. You all keep watching for the very best. Stay tuned.